Hey, what's up everyone? Today I've got a deep dive into something seriously fascinating. 10 mind-blowing facts about DNA. This little molecule is packed with secrets that shape every living thing on Earth, including you. Whether you're a science nerd or just curious, stick around because these facts will blow your mind. Number 10, DNA is long, like really long. Alright, imagine this. If you took all the DNA from just one person's body and stretched it out, it would reach from Earth to the Sun and back 600 times. That's about 93 million miles each way. Wild, right? All that information is packed into cells so tiny we can't see them without a microscope. DNA might be microscopic, but it's got a superpower when it comes to data storage. Number 9, we basically twins here as a mind bender. Humans share 99.9% of their DNA with each other. So that stranger on the street, you're genetically almost identical. The tiny 0.01% difference is what makes us all unique. From our eye color to our hair texture and even some personality traits. Imagine having so much in common yet still being so different. Number 8, half banana, half human? Okay, this one cracks me up. We share about 50% of our DNA with bananas. Yup, bananas! Before you start thinking you're part fruit salad, this actually just shows how all living organisms are connected. Life on Earth is basically one huge, extended family. Number 7, DNA is ancient. DNA has been around for an estimated 3.5 billion years. That's way before dinosaurs, plants, or even jellyfish existed. It's like a time capsule of life itself. The fact that the same molecule has been passed down, tweaked, and adapted for billions of years is just mind-blowing. Your DNA is a piece of Earth's ancient history. Number 6, DNA solves crimes. Ever watch those true crime documentaries? DNA is often the star of the show. Forensic scientists use DNA to solve crimes, identify missing persons, and even exonerate innocent people. A single hair or drop of saliva can be enough to crack a cold case. DNA evidence has a 99.99% accuracy rate, making it one of the most reliable tools in law enforcement. Number 5, junk DNA. Not so fast. For decades, scientists labeled 98% of our DNA as junk because they didn't know what it did. But guess what? Turns out much of that junk actually plays a crucial role in controlling genes, regulating cell functions, and protecting against mutations. It's like finding out your old forgotten attic is full of hidden treasures. Number 4, mutations. The good, the bad, and the ugly DNA mutations can be a mixed bag. On the one hand, they can lead to genetic disorders and diseases like cystic fibrosis or certain cancers. On the other hand, mutations are why evolution happens. They create the genetic variety that helps species adapt and survive over time. Without mutations, we'd still be microscopic organisms floating in a primordial soup. Number 3, DNA is like a barcode. Think of DNA like a barcode, unique to every living thing. Just like no two products have the same barcode, no two people, except identical twins, have the same DNA. Scientists use this barcode to track endangered species, identify illegal wildlife trade, and even discover new species. Number 2, speedy copy machine. Your cells are absolute pros at copying DNA. They can replicate about 50 nucleotides per second during cell division. To put that in perspective, that's like copying the entire Harry Potter series in just a few hours. And they do this while making fewer errors than a top-notch editor. When mistakes do happen, our cells usually catch and fix them, although sometimes those slip-ups lead to mutations. Number 1, editing DNA. Welcome to the future. This is where science fiction meets reality. Using tools like CRISPR-Cas9, scientists can now edit DNA, potentially curing genetic disorders, eliminating hereditary diseases, and even creating genetically modified organisms, GMOs, to resist pests and diseases. Some researchers are even exploring the idea of reversing aging or creating disease-resistant humans. A real-life X-Men scenario. Bonus fact, just for fun. Did you know that scientists have started storing digital data in DNA? A single gram of DNA can hold 215 petabytes of data. That's 215 million gigabytes. Imagine backing up your entire digital life in a test tube. Alright, that wraps it up. If this blew your mind, or at least made you rethink your relationship with bananas, make sure to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more science-packed content. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in the next video.